Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing fine. So some months ago I posted a video on how to make glow and lightning body wash, bar soap and scrub. So many of you loved the video and I got tons of amazing feedback on that video. However, some of you also complained about the body wash foaming too much out of the storage jar. Well, I reviewed the video and I think the reason that happened was because there was no preservative in the body wash, and I take full responsibility and all the blame for that, and I'm sorry guys. However, I decided to make a modified video on how to make a glow and lightning body wash and bar soap. This time around, I promise you guys, the body wash will not overfoam in the storage jar. If you're excited for this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Alright guys, let's jump right into this video. We're going to be starting off with the Glow and Lightning Bar Soap. The items you'll need are any melt and pour soap base. I am using clear melt and pour soap base. You'll also need aloe vera juice, vegetable glycerin, organic honey, carrot puree. If you guys don't know how I made this carrot puree, don't worry, I explained it in details in my carrot glow boosting face moisturizer video, which I'll link in the top right hand corner of your screen and also in the description box below. So quickly go and watch that video, see how I made the puree, and then rush right back to continue this video. You'll need 99.9% isopropyl alcohol, essential oil, measuring spoons, a chopping board and a knife. You also need a silicone mold, or you can use a plastic container like I used in the previous video. Using a basic kitchen scale, I am going to weigh out about 160 grams of the soap base. Then I'm going to go ahead and chop the soap base into tiny bits. Chopping the base into tiny or smaller bits will help the base to melt faster. So after chopping, I'll go ahead and melt the base in the microwave for 30 seconds intervals till the base is melted. You can also do the double boiler method of melting the base, but it's going to take a bit longer to completely melt the base. After melting the base, just stir the base to make sure that there are no chunks of soap base inside the melted base. Then you go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera juice, 1 teaspoon of organic honey, and then you stir and mix until everything is completely incorporated. You go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of the carrot puree, 1 tablespoon at a time, and you stir after each tablespoon. Guys, my camera went off while I was adding the essential oils, so you can go ahead and add up to 20 drops of any essential oils that you have. After that, you go ahead and spray the mold with isopropyl alcohol and then start pouring your soap into the mold. Then you go ahead and spray the top of the soap to get rid of all the air bubbles. After that, you keep it aside for some hours to solidify. If you want the soap to get harder faster, you can carefully place the mold in the freezer for up to 1 hour.
2 hours later.
Guys, this is what the bar soap looks like. It's very easy to take out from the mold, and these look and smell amazing as well. Alright guys, let's go over to the part 2 of this video. That is the Glow and Lightening Body Wash. For this, you'll need deionized water or still spring water. You'll also need liquid Castile soap base, aloe vera juice, organic honey, vegetable glycerin, xanthan gum for thickening the soap, and then again you need carrot puree. You also need preservative. I am using Saligard PCG and I got this from Amazon. You'll also need essential oil. Any essential oil of your choice will do. You'll need a mixing bowl, a whisk, and measuring cups and spoons. First, you pour 1 cup of water into your mixing bowl and put it aside. Then you pour 2 tablespoons of glycerin into a separate bowl and 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum into that same bowl. You mix the glycerin and the xanthan gum thoroughly till you can no longer see the lumps of the xanthan gum in the mix. Guys, this step is very important because if you don't do this step, you go ahead and add your xanthan gum directly into the soap, it will be very, very difficult to mix in the xanthan gum. So please do not skip this step. Make sure you pre-mix your xanthan gum and your vegetable glycerin thoroughly till there are no more lumps inside the premix, and then you keep the premix aside. To the water you initially measured out, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, 1 teaspoon of organic honey, half a teaspoon of preservative. Then you go ahead and whisk the mixture till everything is completely incorporated. Afterwards, you pour in the xanthan gum and vegetable glycerin mix and you continue whisking till a thick gel is formed. Set that aside and measure out half a cup of Castile soap, and then gradually pour the Castile soap into the gel and whisk. Next, you go in with 2 tablespoons of the carrot puree and you continue to whisk until all the puree is completely incorporated into your soap. At this point, go ahead and add up to 20 drops of essential oil and stir. So guys, at this time when I was filming this video, I did not have any bottles with pumps, so I transferred the body wash into a mason jar instead. So feel free to pour your soap, your body wash into a bottle that has a pump or anything basically that you have to store your body wash in. Alright guys, this is what the body wash looks like. I promise that this time around the body wash will not form out of the storage container. If you guys liked this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and your families, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys have an amazing week ahead. Bye.